going on as he celebrates the big number 3 in Girard. Happy birthday, Luke. In Fort Scott, BRYNLEE Marsh, wonderful Halloween costume. And that may not be a Halloween costume. That may be BRYNLEE, maybe what she rocks every day. But it's absolutely gorgeous, BRYNLEE. I love that color of purple. And she is celebrating in Fort Scott. The Dueling Twins. We'll start with Morgan. Morgan, a very happy birthday to you in Columbus. And Morgan celebrates with her sister, Madison. So a happy birthday to you, Morgan and Madison. Have a wonderful day. The Big 3-0, Jessica Zwall. Pretty cool picture right there, Jessica. I'll give you one of those outstanding in her fields comments. Jessica, I want you to have a great 30th. And we've got 50th in front now. That is for Mr. Greg Lovell. Greg, a very happy birthday to you in the knack. Got a couple of 67s. And these are both from yesterday, but I figured they'll keep the celebration going. And one of those is Debbie Kidu. That's a marvelous picture right there. Debbie, a happy birthday. Once again, she's in Chanute, and also in Chanute, Cindy King. So Cindy and Debbie, actually born on the same day right there. And Cindy, that's a marvelous picture as well right there. Great smiles all around. So very happy birthday, Miss Cindy. Joe GOBL, celebrating the big number 67 in Arma. Joe, long time no see, and a happy birthday, my man. WINONA GOEDEKE, she is celebrating her 90th birthday. Miss GOEDEKE, a very, very happy birthday to you. And she is in McCune. LEROY BARRETT, he's got a birthday in Columbus. Mr. Barrett, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous birthday. And an anniversary, 20 years. Congratulations to the Rushes, Roger and Brandi. Gorgeous picture right there. I'd love to know where you guys were at when that picture was taken. Hopefully a little vacay getaway. And I hope you get to enjoy some time together here this week and into the weekend as the Rushes celebrate in Jasper. And that dude, yup, it's been a long year. I'll tell you that much. It's been a year. Yeah, it's been a year. How about that? All right, Joe GOBL, happy birthday in Arma. Britt Commons, he's celebrating a birthday in Cherokee. Britt, a very happy birthday to you. Mr. Lloyd Hellwig, another long time no see right there. Mr. Hellwig, happy birthday as he turns 83 in Columbus. And Catherine McDaniel, she celebrates her 79th birthday. Happy birthday to Catherine in Franklin and in Farlington. Travis Shank, a big number 27. Travis, have a great day, my man. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this November the 3rd. Here's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or if you'd like to go online, simply go to KOAMNewsNow.com. And also, too, while you're on our website, that's the best way to be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. Special deals from local businesses. Once again, it's as easy as going to KOAMNewsNow.com and signing up for the Birthday Club today. Let's run through the sky.